Hello students, a notification has come for CA Inter-level for change in the syllabus effective from November 2019 examination and obviously henceforth. But specifically, let us talk about paper 2 corporate and other laws. Let us see what syllabus has changed. So first of all, you're talking of exclusion. Something is removed. So it is one of the good things for all you students. Many of you have already studied for group 1 paper 2 law, and see, so many sections have been removed from your syllabus. Practically or honestly, many of these sections were as such very small, or it was like deemed or very simple sections, but some of them have been very important. So let us go through them quickly. Section 24, powers of SEBI, again not very important since we know SEBI rules powers were there for listed companies. Section 30, advertisement of prospectus, that section which used to tell you about what all should be there, content of the advertisement if you are doing advertisement of the prospectus. 33, issue of application forms for securities. This was a concept of average prospectus, a short, you can say, application form along with your prospectus. Kind of a attachment to your application form. Average prospectus concept is right now not part of your syllabus. 38, punishment for personation for acquisition of securities. Important section, yes. If at all you are duplicating your name, trying to be someone else, although that section 38 is gone from the syllabus. 41, very important. 41, GDR is gone. Your lots of time will save now in studying of GDR. It was as such a big concept, but 41, GDR is global deposit receipts concept is gone. Important change. 44, nature of shares and debentures. If you remember, we used to talk about that these your securities are movable property. That section is gone from the syllabus. 45, numbering of shares, again irrelevant, very small. Section 60, publication of authorized, subscribed, paid up capital. So again, whenever you're doing advertisement of these, all these three capital should be there. If you remember, if at all you're just mentioning authorized, that is not sufficient. You should give others also. That section 60 is gone. 65, as it is, it was a very small or unnecessary section. Unlimited company should provide reserve share capital. That is not was very important. 72 was, or it is, a very important section. Power to nominate, it is gone. There were so many questions asked on the nomination, but that section 72 is gone. A big relief to the students. So GDR and this section 72 are as such a big change. 75, again irrelevant because 75 was dependent on 74, which is again a very old section as such. It was related to after companies at 2013 amendments and all of that, changes and all of that. So 75 is gone. Damages for fraud in the chapter of deposits. 81 and 85, again two sections related to charges only. So again 81 and 85 were exactly similar, related to register of charges. 81 was register kept by ROC and 85 was charges register kept by company. Both the sections are gone. So very good thing for how many years you have to maintain and all of that, at what location and signature and all of that. That's both these sections are gone. So it has been a little bit of relief for all of you. There are no changes in other laws, but yes, company law, so many sections are gone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So out of 148, 13 sections are gone from the syllabus. Now I shouldn't say 148. There is a section 10A also. Don't forget that in your November 19 examinations. Be careful. Alright, there has been an amendment. Some of you might be knowing it. So please be careful. But 13 sections are excluded from your November 19 examination onwards in corporate law. So yes, students, all the very best for your studies. Take the benefit of this, and yes, obviously if at all you have to need any help, I'm always there. And yeah, one last thing I want to tell you all. Yeah, I'm very happy in telling all of you that yes, it is you. I've launched my website. So if at all, yes, you are interested, kindly visit my website, nirajdmahajan.in. See you soon. All the very best. Good luck.